gusto kong matuto ng ganito, gusto kong matuto ng ganon. Ang daming nagsasabi sa akin na gusto nilang matuto pero hindi nila sinisimulan at may nakabara. No? Hindi naman dahil tinatamad sila eh. I doubt it. It's usually because they're afraid. No? Takot na magkamali, takot na mapahiya, takot na hindi nila ma-meet yung sarili nilang expectation. Kaya hindi nasisimulan yung learning process. Yung learning kasi is not just about acquiring knowledge. It's about testing, no? Yung natutunan mo, trying things out, failing, sometimes failing spectacularly, no? Yung papalpa ka ng bonggang-bongga and then realizing, mali pala yung dati kong ginagawa. So it's really about breaking old habits. It's confronting your weaknesses, getting uncomfortable. That's why so many people stay stuck eh, kasi ayaw nilang maranasan yun. They want to learn, pero hanggang basa lang, nood lang, isip lang, no? Sabi lang, tama yun. Pero walang sinisimulan, walang gawa, no? Kasi once you start applying what you learn, merong risk. Diba? You risk embarrassment, rejection, failure, and it takes courage to know that you're going to start something that might cause you to fail later. But here's the truth. Wala namang natututo ng hindi nagkakamali, eh, di ba? Walang gumagaling na hindi nasasak. The space, no, yung space between wanting to learn and actually learning, that's the battlefield eh. That's the only way to cross it, is to have the courage to suck, no? Yung pumalpa ka ng bonggang-bongga before you get good at it. So, ito yung challenge. What is something that you've been wanting to learn? What is something that you really want to be pero natatakot kang simulan? Are you trying to acquire skill, learn a business, change your career, whatever it is? Stop waiting for confidence. Diba? Do it afraid. Yung confidence, it comes after courage, which is doing things even when you're afraid. It's messy, fail forward, get uncomfortable, because that's the only way to actually learn.